Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate, and here at Sallie Tomato we enjoy bringing you video tutorials that both educate and inspire. Today's tutorial is going to cover an incredibly useful technique for your bag making. Today's tutorial, we're going to be covering how to finish open-ended zippers at a 90-degree angle before they're ready to go into the bag during the assembly. These are often used as a closure style on the top edge of handbags, totes, and other styles of bags. This tutorial will cover a few techniques on how to accomplish these beautiful tucked-in zippers for your bag closures. There's a variety of techniques to accomplish a nicely finished open-ended zipper. I'll be showing you a no-sew method, the Butler method, and the stitch and flip method. Let's review just a few examples of the Sallie Tomato patterns that feature this kind of zipper. That would be the Mary, the Miranda, the Aurora, and Ruth. The first method we'll be covering is the no-sew method, and it's one of the most used in our Sallie Tomato patterns. A few little items that you'll find very helpful are a sewing clip, a lighter, and a pliers. Begin with the zipper end open, then fold the zipper coil away from you, creating a 90-degree angle in the coil. You'll tuck the zipper end to the wrong side or underside of the zipper tape, creating a 45-degree angle in the zipper tape. Now place a sewing clip along the fold edge to hold the layers together, and it provides a bit of a handle as you lightly melt the zipper end with a lighter. After a second or two, clamp the melted edge in place with the pliers as it cools. This creates a nicely finished edge that simulates basting. You'll repeat the same process on the other side of the zipper tape end. And if you wished, you could sew near the melted edges for extra security, just as I've done here. Another helpful technique is the Butler method, and for this method, you'll want to have your sewing machine as well as a few sewing clips or a few pins. With this technique, bend the zipper coil at a 90-degree angle, allowing the tape to fold. Now with your fingers, press the zipper tape toward the top of the zipper. A horizontal fold is nesting next to the horizontal portion of the zipper coil, creating a 45-degree angle on the underside of the zipper tape. Clip or pin the zipper tape in place, and then stitch along the edge of the zipper tape to secure the zipper in place. Remember to remove the pin before sewing over it to prevent damage to your machine. You're going to repeat this same step on the other side of the zipper, keeping the folded edges aligned at the top. The final technique I'd like to show you is the stitch and flip method, and for this, again, you'll want your sewing machine as well as a few sewing clips. Begin by folding over the end of the zipper down about a ½ inch or the width of the zipper tape with right sides together. At the sewing machine, stitch both sides of the zipper tape at an angle from the zipper coil to the fold, then out to the edge of the zipper tape at the raw end of the zipper. When both sides are complete, pull the zipper coil open and both sides of the zipper will have a perfect 90-degree angle. I hope you enjoyed learning how to easily finish the ends of those open-ended zippers. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for these techniques. Please share and show off your photos using the hashtag SallieTomato on social media. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll check out the rest of our Sallie Tomato pattern line for more creative projects. Until next time, have a great making day.